In June last year, this mobile phone footage of Alton Sterling's final moments shocked many in Baton Rouge and the rest of the country. The father of 5 was well known in the community, and his death at the hands of 2 white police officers led to days of protests. Now a months-long investigation by the Department of Justice has concluded there isn't enough evidence to prosecute the officers involved.
Both experts criticized aspects of the officers' techniques and approach in this case. Having said that, the experts also concluded unanimously that the officers' actions were not unreasonable.
His family says it's a disturbing development.
It's been almost a year, and we're still suffering like it happened yesterday. We need closure. We need a conviction. We need justice.
The decision's being seen as a test case of how the Trump administration and its Attorney General Jeff Sessions will handle prosecutions in so-called racially charged shootings. On Saturday, 15-year-old Jordan Edwards was shot and killed in Texas, a case that's already drawing comparisons to other police shootings of African Americans. Originally, the police said a car with the boy inside was driving towards them, but that account turned out to be wrong, and the officer involved has been fired.
I can tell you that I do have questions in relation to my observation on the video and what is consistent with the policies and core values of the Balch Springs Police Department.
Last year's fatal shooting of Walter Scott in South Carolina has now ended in a guilty plea from the officer involved, but that's not likely to end the debate over police shootings.
Black lives matter, but it don't matter to black people because somebody could kill me tonight and you won't say nothing. Until black lives start mattering to black people, ain't nobody gonna respect you.
Prosecutions of police officers are rare, but in the coming months the Attorney General will review the cases of Eric Garner, who was placed in a chokehold by a New York police officer, and the killing of 12-year-old Tamir Rice. Both are high-profile cases, and both will be watched closely. Gallacher, Al Jazeera.